for subtraction, let's say we have 536 minus 272. We start with the bottom corner and we go up to 6 and we ask ourselves, can we slam 2 and count up to 6? Yes, we can. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many was that? That was 4. Here's the number 7. Can we slam 7 and can we move up to 3? That doesn't work. So we have to borrow. This drops by 1 and then we give 1 to the neighbor. So now can we slam 7 and count up to 13? Yes, we can. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6. Can we slam 2 and can we go up to 4? Yes, we can. 2, 3, 4. The answer is 2. Okay, that's how I do subtraction. Addition, let's say 324 plus 114. Okay, this one we do with lines. So 4 and 4, we want to pick the larger number. 4 and 4, they're both equal. So I'm just going to choose the bottom one and I'm going to draw a partner of tallies next to it. So here's 4 and I'm going to draw 4 tally marks next to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 and we add on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We put an 8 here. Which one is larger out of these two? The 2 is larger, so we have to draw 1 tally mark next to here. So it goes 2 and add on 3. What is the larger number out of this? It is 3, add a tally mark, 3, 4. Okay. Getting into the, in multiplication, let's say 36 times 18. We always start with this friend in the downstairs, and he has to visit all of his friends upstairs. So, straight up, 6 times 8 is 48. Good. I have the number 48, but I don't know how to split it up. The first one goes upstairs, the second one goes downstairs. So, 8, and we carry the 4. Your 8 friend right here still has to visit all upstairs, so the 8 has to go to 3. 8 times 3 is 24, plus the 4 is 28. This guy, he's done visiting all of his upstairs friends, so he leaves the building, and we put an X here as well. It is a placeholder. When you X here, you have to X here. Now our second friend gets to visit all of his upstairs, but you always have to start with the far right. So 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 3 is 3. Add them together, 8. I have this 14, but I don't know how to split it up. Same as before. The first one goes up, and the second one goes down. So 4, and carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Okay, and last one we're doing is division. Really fast, we're going to do, let's say, 324 divided by 2. Important thing is bubbles. Count 1 through 9 on your bubbles. This is super important. And then, whatever is on your outside of the house, that is what you count by. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Then, it's just looking at one number at a time. We're starting with this first number, the number 3. Is that anywhere on this list? No, it's not. But can you get close to the number 3 without going over? Yes, I can. And I'm looking at 1 and 2. These bubbles, they float to the top, so 1 floats to the top, and 2 sinks down to the bottom. You subtract those 2, you get a 1, and you bring down the number right next to what you subtracted. Now, we're looking at the number 12. Is the number 12 on my list? Yes, it's right here. I have a 6 and I have a 12. The 6 is in the bubble, it floats up to the top, and the 12 sinks down to the bottom. And I bring down the next number right down next to what I just subtracted. Is 4 on my list? Yes, it is. I see a 2 and I see a 4. The 2 is going to float up to the top, and the 4 is going to sink down to the bottom. And there is my final answer.